Into one we all are gathered through the love of Christ. Let us then rejoice with gladness. In Him we find love. Let us fear and love the living God, and love and cherish all mankind. Where charity and love are, there is God. Therefore, when we are together in the love of Christ, let our minds know no divisions, strife or bitterness. May the Christ our God be in our midst. Through Christ our Lord all love is found. Where charity and love are, there is God. May we see